Hi everyone, welcome back to Planning with J.A.M. I'm J.A.M. and today we're going to do an unboxing. I got some cool little things in the mail today. I love that she has a dog. Oh, that's so adorable. I didn't actually open the package. I just started and then realized that I hadn't covered up my address on the envelope and needed to restart the video. Okay. I don't know how she got them in there. There were so many of them. There we go. So first we have her little dog. Isn't he cute? Or is it a she? It's a she because it's got a bow. Sorry. All right, and then we have some samplers, freebie sheet. And then if you don't know me by now and you're new to the channel, welcome. But I have a love of all things pirate. So I have 2 sticker sheets of pirate themed stickers, and I picked up these clovers and stuff. I know it's a long way away, but they were on sale, and I wanted to like get my money's worth through the I wanted to get my money's worth for the sale that was going on. So I got some clovers and St. Patrick's Day stickers. So those are that. And she sent me such a nice little note. Love it. It's so cute. So we're going to set those aside. That will be a planner video coming up. And let's see. We have pirate themed scrapbook paper and stickers. Now I bought 3 packs because I couldn't decide and I couldn't really see it on Amazon, all the sheets like in the full detail. So I had to buy 3 to make a, decision on which one I'm going to keep. But I love these. These are stickers. They're big, but sometimes I don't mind a big sticker because I don't have a lot going on. So we have pirate islands and pirate ships, and this is textured. I didn't realize it was going to be textured. Can you hear that? And it's double-sided. It's very, very cute. I love this. So we have a red background with white ships. Or, wow, this won't fit in my planner, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Not yet. And then on the back was that. Oh, that's a bummer because that would have been really cool in my planner. So then we have black stripes with, this is cool. This is so cool. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then we have some shark-infested water with, what do they call that, a dinghy? I don't know. And then we have pirate flags and skulls and all the piratey things. This is cool. Anchors with skulls. Oh, I don't know. Can you see that? They have skulls in the anchors. That's cool. And then these you can cut apart and use them as well. This is pretty. We have ships and a bottle. Lots of bottles, lots of ships. Some anchors. I think that's supposed to be the Kraken. Cool, cool, cool. Ooh, this is pretty too. Now I want a scrapbook. Now I want a scrapbook. So these are cool, just the flags. X marks the spot. More sharks. Another page of very big things. I don't know if I can use that. And then we have guns and swords and skulls. Some with swords, some with just the bones. That's cute. Walk the plank. Walk the plank, people. This is cute. I like this too. This is really kind of, I like it. Let me tell you why I like it. I like it because it's not dark. And although I love pirates, I don't really like dark stuff in my planner. I'm more used to like bright and sunny stuff. So I like stuff that's lighter. These are probably my favorite right here. Now for scrapbooking, which I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. The other two don't come for a couple more days. I really like this, but I don't know that I would want a whole background of that. Maybe I would just like cut out little bits. We'll see. This is absolutely stunning. I just don't know what to do with it. And then we have that, and we have this, and we have this one, and we have this one, and we have that one. And this is a pirate's life. See, I could not see these online. When I was looking at Amazon, I could not make out what this page was. So this is cool to see. I'm going to read it, but I'm not going to read it right now. And then on the back, there's more big stuff, which I don't know that I can use that many things. Okay, so like planning with Elise, I'm afraid of birds. I don't mind them outside, away from me. I like to watch and look at them out my window. I don't want them anywhere near me. They scare me. Actually, all winged creatures scare me. Plain and simple. But this is all they gave me as a photo when I was looking for my scrapbook paper for this project that's coming up. This spread that's coming up. I just couldn't see enough of the pages to make a decision. So there is a girly pirate one coming with pinks, and I'm excited to see that because again, all of these, the reason I bought 3 of them was because I couldn't see all the papers. They were like, you know, little strips of paper, and I can't make a judgment on that. I can't decide which package I want off of a little sliver. But I liked this one because it does have these stickers. I like stickers. And they're more a size that will fit in the planner. So that is super cool. Now, one other thing I did get, Michael's is getting ready to have Happy Planner stuff again. So, let's see. Thought I'd bring you down a little. Maybe up a little bit more. And, oh, that's not the right one. So this is a book that I have wanted, and it was on sale. I had saw a plan with me or an unboxing or something, and I really liked it, but money has been really tight, so I decided to splurge a little and pick it up because it was 30% off. And I totally love these colors. They're not normally something I would gravitate to, which surprised me, but I fell in love with these. I love the gold foil and the diamond-shaped lattice feel. Celebrate the little things in life. I'm not going to read everything or go, but I haven't opened each page and looked at it, so I just kind of did a thumb through. It was the last one on the rack, too, at the Michael's where I was at. So these are so pretty. I love those. Those are cute. I never totally know what to do with these. Maybe I just don't have enough important things to do in my life to use them. So those are pretty. Those are pretty. Today's top priority. So definitely you would, I'll fit it anywhere. You could use them in any planner. Goals, goals, goals. I love that. I can definitely use that on my goals sheet. And these are just so pretty. They say take a note. And these are pretty. If you don't know yet, purple and yellow is my favorite color combination. Favorite color combination. So we have top 3, today's priority. It's a date. Yeah, I wish I had a date. This one feels so thin compared to the other one. I love these boxes. Just something new and different. A lot of the stuff from Happy Planner, I think, looks the same. And I've seen a lot of these similar colors, this pastel blue, this green, this turquoise kind of color. I've just seen it over and over, but this is a very nice, fresh, not palette, but the way that the stickers are. It's nice and fresh looking. And those are pretty. I'm so glad they're not paisley. I don't like paisley for whatever reason. Never have. Take note, remember, love this, important. Live in the moment. These are all very beautiful stickers. More of these boxes. We have some monthly boxes. That's cute. I really like that. I like to have smaller checklists. I like that. 4 is a good number for a checklist, I think. Sometimes you need more, but 4 is a good number. And then these, you guys have probably already seen this, but it's been a while since I saw the flip through or unboxing or whatever. So then those are cute. I like them. And this is a repeat. Finally, the weekend, find happiness in the journey. That's probably one of my favorite quotes. Embrace what today brings. Focus on good times and have a heart with gratitude. Those are super cute. Love the flowers. Now these are made for a big. These are big, very big. They're still pretty, but they're very big. I don't know quite how to use those yet. And then we have some double box decorative boxes. These are pretty flowers. They kind of remind me of vanilla flower. I don't know if they are, but more of the circles. And then we have circle boxes. I'm a work in progress. That is how I feel every single day. And it's a perfect day to start. Yep, I keep telling myself that over and over and over. So I picked that up. It was on sale at Michael's, and I had been wanting it for quite a while. I'm so glad I picked it up. So, you know that book is coming out in my planner soon. All right, thank you guys so much for watching and taking the time to be with me this evening. Please, please, please like and subscribe to the videos and hit the notification button so that you can help me grow my business, not my business, help me grow my channel and for me to bring more content and you to know when I bring the content to you. I usually do a lot of posting Sunday evening, Monday evening, sometimes other evenings, but I try to get like my journal spread and my planner spread to you on Sunday night and Monday night. So look forward to those. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.